In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bitbucket to Visual Studio Code. So first, make sure you install the Git, and now go to the terminal of your computer to check the version of your Git via entering the prompt of Git version. So now, in order to connect the Bitbucket to Visual Studio Code, make sure you have an account to Bitbucket and already created a repository. Now, in order to connect Bitbucket to Visual Studio Code, click the terminal on the Visual Studio Code, and then in here, make sure you have a folder created on your computer, and then paste the location in here. And after that, go to the Bitbucket website and then copy the link or the address, and then go to Visual Studio Code again, and then paste the link in the terminal and wait for it to load up. So once the cloning is done, it will pop out a window prompting to connect with Atlassian. So you'll just need to open it to your browser and then confirm access to your account and then connect access, and that's it. You've successfully connect the Bitbucket to Visual Studio Code. You can now clone a Bitbucket repository. And that's it. That's how to connect Bitbucket to Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.